Ready for a mind-blowing journey into the secret life of fungi? Buckle up, welcome to Critter Quest Earth. Today we're diving into the mesmerizing world of fungi and mycelium. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing nature videos. So what exactly are fungi? These aren't just your ordinary mushrooms, they're a whole kingdom of life. From glowing bioluminescent fungi to vibrant rainbow-colored caps, fungi come in all shades and shapes. Now let's talk mycelium. Imagine a vast underground network of tiny threads like nature's own internet. This hidden web called mycelium connects plants and trees, helping them communicate and share nutrients. It's like a secret society under our feet. Fungi are ecological superheroes. They break down dead organic matter, recycling nutrients back into the soil, which nourishes plants and supports entire ecosystems. Without fungi, forests would be buried under their own debris. But it's not all rosy. Fungi face threats from habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change. Preserving their habitats is crucial for maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystems. So, next time you see a mushroom, remember, there's a whole hidden world relying on it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and please join us again for more fascinating journeys into this magical world of nature.